Hello, Crete-Monee School District 201U families. My name is Kara Coglanese and I'm the School District Superintendent, and I am here today to share some groundbreaking news with you. We are ready to launch our technology innovation program for our students that brings high-tech technology right to our students right in their classroom. We are so proud to introduce our brand new SmartLabs at Balmoral and Talala Elementary schools. These state-of-the-art learning spaces are designed to inspire creativity, problem solving, and collaboration. And this is just the beginning. It is our goal to phase in SmartLabs in every elementary school in the district. In the SmartLabs, students get hands-on experiences with coding, engineering, robotics, and more, giving them the tools and confidence to thrive in a technology-driven world. These labs are not just about technology. They're about building critical thinking skills, teamwork, and fostering a love for learning that will last a lifetime. We here in the district are committed to providing our students with the right tools to empower them to succeed. And providing our students with these smart labs is making it happen. We thank you for your continued support in making this vision a reality.